OpenAI has said it is still investigating an unprecedented cyber incident in which two of its advanced AI models allegedly broke out of a testing environment and hacked into AI startup Hugging Face. The company said the AI systems were operating inside an isolated testing environment or sandbox, but managed to bypass safeguards, access the internet, and use stolen credentials to exploit an unknown vulnerability in Hugging Face's server. OpenAI said the AI acted without human direction to obtain secret information and bypass the evaluation process. The company added that the incident involved its newly released GPT 5.6 Sol and another more advanced model that is still under internal testing. Hugging Face said it detected the intrusion last week and later confirmed that OpenAI's AI systems were behind it. CEO Clement DeLonghi described it as an attack unlike anything we have seen before. The incident has sparked fresh concerns over AI safety and the need for stronger guardrails. However, some experts argued that disabling safety measures was ultimately a human decision, while others said the incident demonstrated an unprecedented level of AI autonomy in cyber operations. OpenAI said it is still continuing its investigation while working with Hugging Face to fully contain the incident.